Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a formal observation form or any other observation form you might need. Please note that some of the options that you'll see in this account will not be available on your school IP, so I would recommend that you pause the video and follow my steps accordingly so you don't get lost. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is move over to the left side of the website until we can find an option called My Work. Once you've found My Work, click on the tab so that gives you some more options below. In the options below, look for the one that's called Observations. It has a symbol of an eye next to it. If you found it, go away and click on that. When you get to this page, yours should look something like this. What you need to do when you're on this page is go to the top right where you'll see a button called What's Next. Click on this button here and you'll be given some more options. The one that we're going to need is the top option called Add Observation, so go away and click on that now. If you've done it correctly, you will receive a pop-up in front of you that is titled Add Observation. Right, now we need to pick the options for our observation form so that we have the correct details and it's linked to the appropriate place. Because I'm on Fiona's account, I'll have to use her name in order to complete the observation. If you click down the drop down, you'll see that there are a list of trainees that you'll recognise on your course. The one that you need to only click on is the one with your name on it. So I'm going to go down and find Fiona's link. Once that's done, we need to move on to form. So this is the type of form that you want to use. The top one is the form that you use for your mentors and your host teachers when they observe your lesson. The other forms will be when you observe another teacher's lesson. Okay, we're just going to go away and select the formal lesson observation at the top. Okay, so the next part, focus, is just the name of your observation form. I would recommend following the same format that I'm about to show you now. So first you'd want to type in the date. So we'll imagine this is the 10th of the 6th, 2019. The form or the class that you'll be teaching or using this observation form on. So I will use one that I taught recently, 7C. And including the focus or the target that this observation form will link to. So if I was to do differentiation, I would call this form at the end differentiation, just like that. Okay, once you've done that, make sure that the date is correct to the observation form. So it's the 10th of the 6th. Yep, 10th of the 6th. Observers. If there are no observers here, what you need to do is type your name again. You are the observer. So if I just type Fiona again, Fiona is the observer of her observation form. Once you've done that, you can go away and click Add. Okay, the final step is I'm going to show you how we can find our observation form. So if we go to the left again, we can close My Work because we don't need to see that. We now need to open up the tab that's called My Details, so go away and click that. In this tab, these options should be quite similar to your account. The one we're going to need to use is called My Work Area, so go away and click on that. This page should be quite familiar if you've been using School IP already, and you will see this quite a lot in your training course. What we need to do is go down to where it's called Observations, because this is where all our observations will be saved to. So if you go away, left click on Observations, you will notice that there is an icon here that shows a ranking of your overall observations, and below a list of all the observations that you've created so far. So if you look now, I've got two 7C differentiation forms here. I'm just going to go away and click on the most recent one, which is at the bottom. If you click on the name, a pop-up will appear, and that there is your observation form. Thank you.